Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we're going to show you how to close your Royal Bank account. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Now, sign into your account. Once you're signed in, tap on Checking. On this screen, you will see an option for lock or replace your card. Tap on Lock or replace your card. Here, scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom, you will see an option for close accounts on this card. Tap on Close accounts on this card. In order to close your account, you need to give a call and talk to an advisor. To proceed, tap on the Call Now button. That's how you close your Royal Bank account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.